for today is to work out percentages without a calculator, okay? This is level 5, which really is a grade E at GCSE, okay? Now, the easiest way to look at this is if we take the number 80. If we want to work out 50% of 80, okay, we just halve it. So that gives us 40. Okay, so to get 50%, we halve it. To get 25%, we halve it and then halve it again. Okay, so we divide by 2 and divide by 2 again. Now, so 80 divided by 2 is 40, then divided by 2 again, it's going to be 20. So that's how we work out 25%. To work out 75%, well, you know what 50% is, you know what 25% is, we just simply add it together, it gives us 60. Okay? So it's going to get a little bit more complicated now to work out 10%. To work out 10%, we divide by 10. Okay? So if we look at a place value chart here, we've got the number 80. Okay? The decimal point's there, the decimal point never moves. Okay, we've got 80. When we're dividing by 10, the digits move one place to the right. So the 8's going to go there, decimal point stays there, the 0's there. So 80 divided by 10 is 8. Okay, so that's how we work out 10%. There you go. So 10% of 80 is 8. Now, if we know 10%, 5% is easy to work out. We just halve the 10%, which gives us 4. If we're asked for 15%, we work out 10%, work out 5%, and then simply add them together. So 8 add 4, which will give us 12. Okay? So 5% was half of 10%. To get 15%, we add 10%, add 5%. Okay? If we're asked to find, say, 20%, well, we just have 2 lots of the 10% there. So 2 lots of 8 gives us 16. Okay? So 2 lots of 10%. Right, it's going to get a little bit trickier now. Finding 1% of amount. If we want 1%, we divide by 100. Okay, coming back to our place value chart, I'm going to write 80 again. Remember, the decimal point doesn't move. When we're dividing by 100, the digits move 2 places to the right. So the 8's going to go 1, 2. That's where the 8's going to go. The decimal point stays where it is, and we put a 0 there. So 80 divided by 100 is 0.8. Okay. So 1% is 0.8. And then we can use this to work out, say, 2%. Well, it's just going to be 2 lots of 1.8, which is going to be 1.8 add 1.8, which is going to be 1.6. So what we've really done there, we can use the 1% to find all other different amounts. We can use 10% to find out all these other different types of amounts. And we've used 50% to find out all these other amounts. I'm going to do one more example. Okay, now this time we're going to focus on 300. Okay, we're going to work out 50% of 300, which is simply dividing it by 2, gives us 150. 25%, we just halve it again, which gives us 75. To get 75% of 300, we add the 50%, we add the 25%, which gives us 225. Okay. Working at the 10% of 300, again, it's divided by 10. Okay, so let's look at our place value chart. We've got 300 there, decimal point does not move. We're going to find 10%, i.e. divide by 10. The digits move one place to the right. The decimal point stays, so that 3 goes there, got a 0, 0 there. So 300 divided by 10 gives us 30. Okay, so 10% is 30. Want 5%, you halve that, 15. Okay, want 15%, we add these two together. If you want 20%, you have two lots of 30, which gives us 60. Okay, same as those methods there. Now, finding 1%, you divide by 100. So back to our place value chart. So let's rewrite 300. We're dividing by 100, so that 3 is going to move two places, 1, 2. It's going to go there. Oops, looks like an 8, but it's a 3. Okay, so 300 divided by 100 is 3. Okay, so 1% of 300 is 3. And if you're asked to find 2%, we just simply double that. Okay, so that is to work out percentages without a calculator.